I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
That window is about to come out on its own. I gotta go inside and take the screws out, but don't got nobody out here helping me, so I'm gonna, cause I don't want it to fall out on the ground, I'm gonna prop it up with a board from the outside. Yeah, let me see it. I'm gonna use this to prop this window up.
No, fall down. No fall. No fall. There you go.
That way I don't have to have nobody in there holding it for me.
That's right.
Getting this one out. I might have to go move my board directly over these screws to get them to get out. We got this bastard out. Pardon my French. It looks like it is. I managed to get it out. Get it out there now. There we go. That's out. I got a big hole in here. I got some metal. It's going to go on the inside, but some of this washing machine, that there's too narrow there, but washing machine, metal, metal, that's what I'm going to use. So it's going to be part washing machine, part Chevy van. Anyway, I got that done. That is out. I'm glad. Alright, we're gonna, I'll put a little notch in this for, and fit around this thing and still, that thing still screw up. So I'll put some, couple holes in the top here. Just temporary. Temporary. Get in there. A couple down there. Alright. I got one of the, I got the window out, you seen that, but I got one, and you seen me do that too. I got one piece of metal up, but I ain't got time to take that apart and another one apart before dark, and my back is killing me anyway. So I taped up a couple of cheap puppy pads over that. It won't keep the rain out, but it'll keep the cats out of there. I started out cutting this, and I remembered I needed to get it on video. It's got a, I'm using this metal for that window, but it's got a little lip on it that can't be on there. I'm having to cut it off. Anyway, I'm turning that stuff into band deleting metal. In other words, my band's gonna be a hybrid, part Chevy and part washing machine. This is my window. I'm gonna show you something I seen on it. It says, let me zoom in. This is 40 piece. I hope that's the screws and everything. I don't want my window to be in that many pieces. Let's open this bad boy. It looks pretty so far. I don't need that board up there. Let's put this down. It's got some little screws in it. I'll put these pieces of styrofoam up or they won't blow away. There's my new window. Pretty, huh? Just the right size too. And there's all those pieces. I'm trying to keep this edge because it's kind of lipped. I'll keep it along that and make sure I'm out away from the chair. A little further. There we go. All the way down on this end. I'll have to put a little piece of metal there, but it like just a hair that I'll have to trim the upper part or the lower, either one, but it won't quite go in. It's just, I got a marker. I'm gonna mark it, make sure it's where I want it here. I went ahead, since I was going, I went ahead and cut it all away. I don't know, we'll see if it's going to fit. I hold it. Yeah, it's in there. Alright. We got to drill some holes, but I'm going to take this up all the way. I got some clamps. Gotta help hold it up to that one while I drill some holes. Now I gotta drill some holes, put some screws in. It was dull for some reason. Alright, it'll hold itself up. Now I gotta put off 4 corners. Alright. I like this little hopper tuck Walmart fall apart thing. They heard me fussing about it. Now we're going to cut those off outside with my Dremel. And then we're going to tape this up until I got Land to help me. And put my bits up. I can't install the window until I got some help. On this one. See this one? Zoomed in on this one. I thought I was on that one. We'll get this one in. And then I'm gonna paint this van. I'm gonna paint it bedliner anyway, but I gotta put. Other day when I cut this off the jigsaw, I bet some of y'all knew I was doing something wrong. When I fitted that window in here, it had the inside band over it, and so it made it thicker, taller than what it needs to be. So when I put the window in again after taking that band off, it's got some play in it. So cut this. I'm gonna fix that screw up that I done. I'm gonna screw it to it and then do like I did on the rest of this. I'm gonna go outside and saw the screws off, and but I'm gonna put some JB Weld behind it too. That way it help hold it up there if something happens. Those screws wallow out going down the road. But alright. I have to go outside and cut them off. You don't need to watch me do that. You know what that looks like. Outside and cut them off.
Oh, right.
Yeah, I got fans. I gotta tell them what I'm doing there.
There you go.
I got this cut out. Shape around this thing.
There you go. That's right. There's no fan, nobody.
I'm on
high temperature.
I got some holes drilled. I'm gonna mark them and then I'm gonna cut them and then we're gonna screw it up.
Yeah, right. I mean, high temperature. Night night.
I know it.
I mean, son of a bitch.
I know it.
What? Mean. Your age, you get old. Like me.
Yeah.
Old fudge.
Yeah, I'm old fart.
Yes, sir. Old fart. I'm getting old.
Yeah.
I'm getting old. I'm getting old.
Yeah. I gotta mark these holes.
Yeah, that's bullshit.
That's bullshit.
Yeah, that's bullshit.
Anyway, I got that one up. Now I gotta trim over there. And we can take the window back. I just got it taped in on the outside. We'll take it back out and...
I got to go back in the house. Back in the house, but you make me go.
We gotta...
In the house,
do a... Alright. We got this cut right here. And naturally. There we go. Got a little place I gotta fix on it, but got a bend and I gotta fix that bend.
Yeah, one hand's on, one hand's. I find nowhere. And you? I find nowhere. I find them. I find them. I find them. I find them. One hand.
Then I gotta.
One hand time.
I'll fix it.
Steady.
Alright. Get it up there where it goes sort of close.
Whoa, you motherfucker! Stop back! Wait, we gonna fight. We gonna fight.
You gonna fight that door?
You goddamn KO. Goddamn winner hold.
Maybe that'll hold it up long enough for me to put some drill holes in it. I gotta patch that little hole there, but I think I can trim this and make do. I just got to trim a little corner off of it with a fit.
What's this hole? Hey, ain't big compass. There you go.
Oh, we gotta take this down though and put that sealing on it.
Look at and then that seal. What's that? Big month, I get paid. I got 1 month. Easy, make it
over here on the.
Make it some, make more. You supposed to make it some. You supposed to man, you can make that right here. That's the stupid son of a gun. That's it. Stuff it, do that. Stuff it. I didn't do it. She said, "Man,
I didn't do it either. Somebody did, but I didn't."
Back in there. It got all night. It got tonight. There you go. There you go.
Yeah, I gotta put that cardboard on here.
Yeah, the case don't fall out of there.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Not so much as fall out of there, but the
I'm not.
might fall again and break it.
Oh, you want that? Then you get mad. No, you don't make that. No, look at. No, you ain't doing it. Do it, buddy. There you go. There you go. Yeah, now. That's that. You get no look at that now. Yeah, private, yeah. Yeah, tonight.
I need some place to set my tools. I'll put a little notch in here for. It's not gonna be perfect no matter what I do, but make some of these holes smaller. These less bondo I have to put up. Gonna drill a hole. Get in there, damn it. I'm gonna have to use my drill. There we go. I finished it off. I finished putting screws in that one. Still got to cut some narrow ones for that lower part. Well, I'll do that tomorrow. If you're gonna use drill bits, get a good brand. Them, I got the sun right in my face, sorry about that. The cheap drill bits like Heart or whatever they are, they're not even worth using. You're just wasting your money buying those. I still got to finish deleting the window. It's I got some bondo. I got to replace. Hold on, me. I got to cut a little strip right here for this. You see what I'm doing. I gotta cut a little strip for this little section here, and then there's a few little places I still gotta put a couple of screws in, and then I'm gonna put Bondo over the top of it. I don't care how rough it looks, you know, it's just an old junky van anyway. I just want to make it solid where I don't have to worry about nobody getting in it. And I'm gonna drill holes through this way and put some round-headed bolts and nuts on the inside, so it's not this gonna be these screws. But I'm gonna put the Bondo over the top of it and then smooth it off as good as I can. I can't smooth it off a whole lot because it's got these screws and them bolt heads are gonna be on there. But then I'm gonna paint the whole van with bed liner, so it's gonna be rough looking anyway. But the window's in there, and that's one good thing. So anyway, that video, I'm gonna be uploading this video here in just a little bit, where I got to this point. But stay tuned, because the finishing video where I'm doing all the Bondo, you know, patching these little spots and doing the Bondo is coming soon. So keep an eye out for the next video. There's the window installed. There's a few little spots. There's a little hole in the bottom I still gotta fix. And I got a caulk all the way around it on the inside. But it's in there. Window that I'm using in the van, there's a link in the description to it also. If you liked my video, I appreciate if you give me a thumbs up. It's always good to get those. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Me and Sybil sure would appreciate it. She's in the house doing her favorite thing, sleeping. Anyway, thank you for watching.
Way back a year ago,